It's time for a little fun!
Pip skips into the sweet candy land today.
Candyland, Candyland!
Lollipops and gummies all the way.
Lollipops, gummies,
Sweet and yummy, what do you see?
so sweet, yummy, yum!
Pip the Bunny shouts out yippee.
Skip down the Lollipop road.
Pink and purple, what a beautiful coat.
Pink, purple, beautiful road.
Lick, 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 so sweet and round.
Lick, 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 round, round, round.
Yummiest lollipops Pip has ever found.
Ever found, ever found. Yum, yum, yum.
Verse 3.
Gummy bear forest.
Bounce, bounce, bounce in the gum.